Alright guys, so as you all know, I've been in the process of trying to do some renovations to the holiday trailer. How's it going? Well, obviously not without challenges. As you guys seen by the measurements, the back of the fridge is 23.5 across here, which gives me enough room. It's going to be tight to fit in here. I have enough depth back there. In fact, I'm going to just bring it out a little bit if I have to give me the space for the heat to run. But where I ran into the issue is that the front is 24 inches, right? So 24 on the front, and guess what? My door coming in is 23.5 to try and get through the edges here. I have to literally take off the door. All right, so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm going to have to take the door off all the way around here, all right, to get the new fridge in, because it gives me to the edge of the frame. I get 25 inches to the edge of the frame. So that's going to be the next project. I'm going to reseal everything anyway. That was the game plan. I wanted to do around all the windows, redo all the caulking, all that type of stuff on it anyway. So that's the game plan for now. So it's not for lack of trying. I thought I had measured everything. I thought I was right on track, and obviously I missed something. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the holiday 1977 holiday trailer retrofit here and upgrades. Thanks for watching. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcraft and Outdoors. 7-3 there, guys.